Hello, good evening. This video is for Musa. He wants to know, how do you go about creating a channel and how do I link it to the IS department in FAI? So let's go and create a channel. If I create a channel, and the team I want to make first is, let's create a class. Let's call it Calculus. Calculus 101. Right? So Calculus 101, it's a maths introductory INTRODUCT introductory course for first year IS students. All right, great. So it's creating the team. Now, Musa, I need to search for students and for teachers. So let's go and add Musa to this course. MUSA, there's Musa there, Musa and Corsi. And I'm going to add him. Close. Now, we've got Calculus 101. I'd like to schedule a lecture on Monday. Let's say Monday, and we're going to be working after hours. So let's say Monday at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Monday, 3 p.m. Let's go to, oh, there's a clash over there, doesn't matter. Monday, 3 p.m. And the title is Calculus 101 Derivatives. Derivatives, right? And the required attendee is, it's Musa's course. And an optional is Prinovan. Prinovan is going to attend this lecture because I like mathematics. Oh, right. Well, I would be attending any event. Now, the important thing is it's on June 1st, 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Let's make it 3:50. That's 50 minutes. And now Musa wants to link this to the channel, right? And I'm going to link it by clicking on Add Channel. And out here, I go to the IS department at FAI. And I am going to add it to, let's go and, it's a very big class, so we need to look for DB0001. There's DB0001. Now it's linked to DB0001, Calculus 101, even though Musa had created this, all right? And I can add some details in here. Introductory lecture on derivatives. Right, I can have it, and it's not repeating, and I'm so happy with that. And I'm going to say send this, right? So I'm going to say send that, and you will now appear on the calendar. Calculus 101 derivatives. Now you'll notice I am in the Calculus 101 team. Just wait a little while. Calculus 101 derivatives. And it's almost there. Let's look at my calendar. It's really full up, isn't it? So it's creating the lecture. I did Calculus 101. I did mathematics in the IS. It's taking pretty long. Right, so once it's done, we're going to open up the IS in the FAI group. And then I'm going to show you how it will appear in the channel. If it can only work a little faster. This is taking too long. I'm going to stop it. No, it's done. Great. Now let's go back to Teams. There's Calculus 101. And if I look at the calendar, it should tell me that on Monday, I have Calculus 101, right? Let's go now to my FAI. Let's see, where's FAI? I's department in FAI. And let's go and look at my channels. DB0001. And there we go. Introductory lecture on derivatives, Calculus 101, Monday, June 1, 2020 at 3 p.m. This is how we link Musa's Calculus 101 to the IS department in FAI. I hope that answers your question, Musa. Thank you. Bye.